Iramdam Manipur Ladiba Maigi Awalpasing Menkatpangam Nabagi Kongtang Amo Oina Megawatt 50 Lom puthokadaba solar power plant tongan mafam anida saragani haina Power Minister Th.Bishwarjit na fudokre. Wafam masingasi Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL Amadi Green Tree Global na Sinlangduna North AOC da Leba Hotel Infagi Sangai Hoda Pangtokiba Bureau of Energy Efficiency Minister of Power gi Midyang Makada capacity building of Discoms ki demand side management measures implementation launched tabagi thoramda fongdokibani. Power Minister Th.Bishwarjit Power Department ki Commissioner Dr. Shailesh Kumar Chaurashia IAS Milind Dior Secretary B Ministry of Power Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency Manireda gi Director Narim Pravin Singh IAS Amadi Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL gi Managing Director H. Santikumar Singh na atab mitulin oiduna pangtokiba thoram aduda Power Minister Th.Bishwarjit na makhatarduna India gi Northeast thangba state singge manungda Manipur lengak asina program miyam gi chahi amada lupa crore chahumga marifutara mathoi subsidy piduna khwaidagi nemba mamalda mai fanghanli Masigi matakta matamgi matung inna ahenba maigi mathau taba sing piba ngamnaba anoba advanced technology sizinaduna mahosagi khal kahandana mai puthoknaba anoba project kaya su paikhali amadi miyamna mai sizinaba matamda arembada manghandana amadi watt nema mukhalgi electric appliance sing sizinaba su khanghalakli amadi state revenue da maru oiba sector ama odiba power sector asi mai sizinariba singna bill kaya thidoktaba maramna Sotarakliba asi department na henba midyang changduna yariba makai khomgat laknabasu khangal lakhibatanatana thabak ama tawba matamda masa masagi responsibility khangna thabak tawduna chawkhatpa Manipur ama oinaba honasi haina su fongdoki
Aikogi not only SC Kaptanatana, just for information Mr. Azad, like so we have implemented like Ujala Yojana. So we SC have gotten the target. Otherwise, instead of the 100 watt of the bulb, say, we have provided the 100 watt of the bulb. Aduni hen effectively ngan bulb to peer of nema. Adopi yam ne hena target to the achievement of the company ni aduga say Akwena ngasi mai se akwena haning badi since we are the consuming state. This program is very much important for implementation. And we need to convince all the inhabitants, those who are surviving in the far-flung area, most importantly. And let's see, comparatively in all the districts, most of the districts like the Imphal Valley district, we can collect the revenue somehow, anyhow.